If you are over 60 and dealing with weak legs, achy knees, or trouble walking upstairs, the problem might not be just aging. It could be that your body's running low on collagen, the protein that holds your muscles, joints, and tendons together. But here's the good news. There are 7 powerful collagen-rich foods you can start eating today to rebuild leg strength naturally, reduce joint pain, and get back to moving with confidence. No expensive supplements, no complicated routines, just real food that works. I am going to show you exactly what to eat, how much to eat, and the simple daily habits that will help your legs feel 10 years younger. Before we dive in, let me ask you, what city and country are you watching this video from? Drop your location in the comments below. I love connecting with viewers from all around the world. Now, let me explain why collagen is so important for your leg strength, especially after 60. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body. It makes up about 30% of all the protein in your muscles, tendons, ligaments, and cartilage. Think of collagen as the glue that holds everything together. When you're young, your body produces plenty of collagen. But after age 40, your body starts producing less and less collagen every single year. By the time you reach 60, you have lost a significant amount of this critical protein. This is why your knees start hurting, your muscles feel weaker, and simple movements become harder. Your tendons become stiffer, your joints lose cushioning, and your muscles do not recover as quickly. This collagen loss is one of the main reasons seniors experience muscle weakness, balance problems, and increased risk of falls. But when you eat collagen-rich foods consistently, you can rebuild that strength, protect your joints, and improve your mobility dramatically. So let me share with you the 7 best collagen-rich foods that will boost your leg strength and help you move better every single day. The first food is bone broth. Bone broth is one of the richest sources of collagen you can consume. When you simmer bones for many hours, the collagen breaks down into gelatin, which your body can easily absorb and use to rebuild your own collagen. Bone broth is also loaded with amino acids like glycine and proline, which are the building blocks your body needs to make collagen. It also contains minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus that support bone health. You want to aim for 1 to 2 cups of bone broth per day. You can sip it warm like tea, use it as a base for soups, or cook your rice and vegetables in it. Make sure you're using real bone broth, not the boxed kind from the grocery store that is mostly just flavored water. You want bone broth that gels when it cools down. That thick, jiggly texture is a sign that it is packed with collagen. The second food is wild-caught salmon. Wild-caught salmon contains collagen in the skin and also provides omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation in your joints and muscles. Inflammation is one of the main reasons your legs feel stiff and painful. When you reduce inflammation, you improve mobility and reduce pain. Salmon also provides high-quality protein that helps maintain muscle mass, which is critical for leg strength. Aim to eat wild-caught salmon with the skin on 2 to 3 times per week. You can bake it, grill it, or pan-sear it with some olive oil and lemon. The third food is eggs, especially the membrane inside the shell. Now, most people throw away the eggshell, but that thin membrane between the shell and the egg white is incredibly rich in collagen and other nutrients that support joint health. The egg yolk itself contains vitamins and minerals that help your body produce collagen, including vitamin A, vitamin D, and zinc. Eggs are also a complete protein source, meaning they contain all the essential amino acids your muscles need to stay strong. You want to consume eggs several times per week. And here's a tip. After you crack your eggs, peel off that membrane from the inside of the shell and eat it. It might sound unusual, but it is a powerful source of natural collagen. The fourth food is chicken, especially the skin, cartilage, and dark meat. Chicken is one of the best sources of dietary collagen. The skin contains type 1 collagen, which is the same type found in your tendons and ligaments. The cartilage, like the part near the joints, is rich in type 2 collagen, which supports your cartilage and joints. Dark meat from the thighs and drumsticks contains more nutrients and healthy fats compared to white meat. Aim to eat chicken 2 to 3 times per week, and do not be afraid of the skin. The skin is where much of the collagen is found. Roast it, bake it, or make chicken soup with the bones to extract even more collagen. The fifth food is sardines. Sardines are small fish that you eat whole, including the bones and skin. This makes them an excellent source of collagen and calcium. The bones in sardines are soft and completely edible, and they provide a huge amount of calcium, which is essential for strong bones and legs. Sardines are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and selenium, all of which reduce inflammation and support muscle and joint health. Aim to eat sardines once or twice per week. You can add them to salads, eat them on their own, or mash them up with avocado and eat them on cucumber slices. The sixth food is beef, particularly tougher cuts like chuck roast, brisket, and oxtail. These cuts contain more connective tissue, which is rich in collagen. When you slow cook these cuts, the collagen breaks down into gelatin, making it easy for your body to absorb. Grass-fed beef is ideal because it contains more nutrients and healthy fats compared to grain-fed beef. It also provides creatine, which supports muscle strength and endurance. Aim to eat beef 1 to 2 times per week, and choose slow-cooked methods like braising, stewing, or making pot roast. The seventh food is shellfish, especially shrimp, crab, and lobster. The shells of these shellfish are incredibly rich in collagen. While you do not eat the shells directly, you can make a broth by boiling the shells and using that broth in soups and stews. Shellfish meat itself provides high-quality protein and important minerals like zinc, which is essential for collagen production. Zinc deficiency is common in older adults and can slow down your body's ability to produce collagen. Aim to eat shellfish once or twice per week and save the shells to make a collagen-rich broth. Now, besides eating these collagen-rich foods, there are a few simple habits that will help your body produce more collagen and protect the collagen you already have. The first habit is getting enough vitamin C. Your body cannot produce collagen without vitamin C. Vitamin C is required for the enzymes that build collagen. Good sources of vitamin C include bell peppers, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and citrus fruits. Aim to include a serving of vitamin C-rich foods with every meal. The second habit is eating foods rich in zinc and copper. These minerals are essential for collagen production. Zinc is found in beef, shellfish, pumpkin seeds, and eggs. Copper is found in organ meats, mushrooms, and dark chocolate. Make sure you are including these foods regularly in your diet. The third habit is avoiding sugar and refined carbohydrates. Sugar damages collagen through a process called glycation. When you eat too much sugar, it attaches to collagen fibers and makes them stiff and brittle. This accelerates aging and weakens your joints and muscles. So cut back on sugar, bread, pasta, and processed foods. The fourth habit is protecting your skin from excessive sun exposure. Ultraviolet rays from the sun break down collagen in your skin and connective tissues. Spend time outdoors for vitamin D and fresh air, but protect your skin with hats and clothing, especially during peak sun hours. And the fifth habit is getting enough sleep. Your body repairs and rebuilds collagen while you sleep. Poor sleep disrupts this process and accelerates collagen loss. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. The sixth habit is staying hydrated. Collagen needs water to stay flexible and functional. Dehydration makes your joints stiffer and your muscles weaker. Drink plenty of water throughout the day and avoid excessive caffeine and alcohol, which can dehydrate you. The seventh habit is strength training. Resistance exercise stimulates collagen production in your tendons and ligaments. You do not need to lift heavy weights. Simple bodyweight exercises like squats, lunges, and leg raises done 2 to 3 times per week will make a huge difference in your leg strength. So, how quickly can you expect to see results? Most people start noticing improvements in joint pain and mobility within 2 to 4 weeks of consistently eating collagen-rich foods. It takes about 3 months for your body to rebuild significant amounts of collagen in your muscles, tendons, and ligaments. So be patient, stay consistent, and trust the process. Your legs will thank you. Everything I shared today is for educational purposes only. This information is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any disease. Please consult with your healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet or adding new ingredients to your routine, especially if you are taking medications or have any health conditions. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helps you rebuild your leg strength and move with more confidence. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who needs to hear this, and subscribe to the channel for more health tips. I will see you in the next video.